Hello, good evening, students. So, today I'm going to start a new lesson of class 12th English. So, in this very book, we are going to start lesson number 1, The Lost Lesson by Alphonse Daudet. So, in this very lesson, we are going to study very interesting facts in this very lesson, and the most important thing you have to study in this lesson is how the French language have been submerged, and how the Germany have I mean improved their dominance on the French districts of Alsace and Lorraine. And after that, we are going to study how the French language have been slightly decreased in its importance when the French peoples not understand their importance of language on a certain point of time. By that very important factor, the German people took the advantage I have shown here, and slightly the Germany has been declared winner in the Franco-Prussian War that fought in 1870 to 71, in which Germany was declared a winner. And in that very moment, this lesson is published by one of the famous important writer in English literature, that's Alphonse Daudet. And first of all, you should know a little bit about this author, and this is a French novelist and short story writer. And this lesson I have already told you about this, and this lesson set in the days of Franco-Prussian War, that 1870 to 71, in which France was defeated by Prussia, led by Bismarck. So in this very lesson, a language chauvinism has been defined. What here defines is, here language chauvinism has been defined. Language chauvinism has been defined. So what actually the language chauvinism is? So you should know that what actually the language chauvinism is. So far as the language chauvinism is concerned, we can simply say that to show their dominance on another language, to show their dominance over the another language, that's known as chauvinism. So you are already aware about that fact. I have already explained to you that France has been submerged into the hands of Germany, and slightly this French language has reduced its importance, and subsequently they have been submerged. And here in this lesson, the author Alphonse Daudet focuses mainly on the mother tongue. How we have to take care of our mother tongue, and we should longing for it, and we should have a love for it, so that we can clearly preserve our language. And in this very lesson, here are two important characters. Number first is the Mr. M. Hamel, that plays a role of French teacher in this lesson, and number second is the French, that plays a role of student in this lesson. So Thank you very much.